Hey folks, in the garage today. Weather's a bit funny, so I just thought I'd show you the little setup I've got for the fridge. I've been hesitant taking the fridge, especially if there were tough tracks involved, because it can topple over and you've got compressors and electronics to deal with. So I was taking the S-gear, but now I have a fridge slide on a false floor. Fridge slide, I have access to my fridge, and I thought for solo camping to have access to the fridge here is obviously great, but the Challenger has a hatch door, not a tailgate, so I'm limited with working space. So I thought about an extension table off the fridge slide, and the Titan fridge slide has these two slots for the straps. So I've made a little table about the same size as the slide tray. It has two angles on one side, which are like plaster, joist, some kind of angle, and then a little bit of aluminium angle with a hole and a bit of Velcro for security as well. So the table basically slides into the tie-down slots, and it can actually hang there for a little bit. I have a support for it, which is basically a $10 Kmart tent pole. I've made a little bit of a box section to share the load, and what you do is you bring the slide up. I don't know if you can see that. So we have the tent pole support in place, inner angle bracket, which gives us a nice working platform. I actually made an additional support for the fridge slide tray once the tray is extended and the fridge is fully loaded. Again, similar sort of deal, tent pole with the support, and this gives me a little bit of support to the fridge slide itself. So with the two legs in place, I have quite a steady platform to work with, and it gives me a level surface, which is, you know, what you need when you're out camping. I've also had Anthony install a light, which I'll show. It's in the top of the hatch, and this gives me light off the hatch. I mean, it's daylight now, so it doesn't make much of an effect, but it would give me great access to everything. Obviously the fridge lights up when it's plugged in, and I've just given the tabletop a couple of coats of linseed oil, which is food safe, and should give me a great working platform for when I'm solo camping. I'm thinking if I'm just solo, I can deploy the awning off the side, put my swag under it. Once I open this up, I don't have to get a table out. I can get maybe a chair, have my tucker box there, have my fridge, and a working platform for putting different devices, and I'll show some images of what can be done on the table. So there you have it, guys. The table and attached to the fridge slide. Thank you for Anthony, not only for the light but the ongoing electrical work. Cheers, mate, and see you guys out at camp or in the next video. Bye for now.